Hello everyone, it's Pam here and welcome to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Today we're gonna make one of the Thai street food menus, cheap and easy to find from every corner in Thailand and also easy to make at home. Thai barbecue pork skewers or Moo Ping in Thai language might sound like a regular grilled pork, but the marinade will blow your mind. Okay, let's get started. So first we need the pork. I'm using pork loin today. You can use tenderloin, pork collar or pork butt, whatever part you like. Garlic. Coriander roots. If you can't find the roots, use the stems. Palm sugar. Water. Sweet dark soy sauce. Light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Salt, coconut milk, vegetable oil, and cornstarch. Before marinating, make sure you soak the bamboo skewers in water. This will prevent them from burning. Cut 2 to 3 coriander roots into small pieces. If you use stems, use 6 of them because the fragrance is less than the roots. 8 to 10 cloves garlic. You can peel easily by mashing with a knife or just pound in the mortar. Peel off easily. Now powder garlic and coriander roots finely. Palm sugar. The type we normally use in Thailand will come as a paste, but these hard ones, slicing thinly before using will help it dissolve easily. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of it. Grab the mixing bowl. And put the palm sugar in. So the powdered coriander and garlic. Light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Sweet dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons. Water, 3 tablespoons. Coconut milk, yes, also 3 tablespoons. Coconut milk will give nice fragrance, however, you can also use evaporated milk. A pinch of salt. Not done yet, but for now, mix until the sugar dissolves first. Because then you can taste and adjust to what you like. Some people may like it a little sweeter or saltier. However, the main flavors should be the good balance between sweet and salty. Then we can pour 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in a little bit of water. Pour it in. You can also use tapioca starch if not the corn. Okay, mix it well. Remove the pork fat. For more flavor, we're going to use it, but if you don't like, then it's okay not to use. About an inch thick. Then slice the pork. I like it about 1 centimeter thick on this side. And to make it the bite size, we're going to cut it in half. Pork fat, cut it not too big, not too small, leave some room for skewing as well. Then put the pork into the marinade bowl. I'm separating the pork fat in another bowl so it's easier to grab, don't have to dig in the sauce to find these little pieces. Give the pork a nice massage for about 5 minutes or until the pork absorbs some sauce. These type of plastic gloves just gonna keep coming off. That's why I deal with it using the rubber band. Not the same when I tie my hair though. Sometimes it catches some sauce, so no for the hair. Wrap it up. The best amount of time to marinate is overnight in the fridge. Let the pork absorb all the flavors thoroughly, not just coat it from the outside, But if you don't have that much time to prepare, then I'll say at least marinate it for 3 hours. And during that, spend your time on something else, and in my case, play with the neighbor's kitty. Say hi to Chloe. After marinating, now let's skew it. If you're also using pork fat, put a couple 3 pieces of them in each skew. Watch your finger when trying to skew the pork. Sometimes it can be a little hard and you'll need to push harder and you can get poked by this little sharp stick. When sharing to kids, break off the sharp tips at the end as well. Just a reminder, my mom always did that for me and my little sister when we were kids. This is what we are looking for, the mix between the meat and the fat. Another tip to keep the pork moist and tender when grilling is this one: some coconut milk or evaporated milk. Mix with a tiny bit of vegetable oil. Okie dokie, let's go to the grill. If you're using the charcoal grill, let the flames die down a bit first. Because the marinade contains sugar, it will be burnt easily. You can expect some flames eventually. When the pork fat drips on charcoals, just keep an eye on it. If you're using the electric grill, go for medium-high heat. It's gonna be a very quick grill. The first flip would take around a couple minutes, depending on the size of your grill. Keep flipping regularly. Same as applying the coconut milk mixture to keep it moist and tender. Continue doing these 2 things until the pork is cooked. Then done! If you like this recipe, leave this video a thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell button for more Thai and Asian recipes. Don't forget to serve these pork skewers with sticky rice. If you don't have a bamboo steamer or rice cooker to make sticky rice, check out how to cook sticky rice in the microwave, which the link is in the description. Thank you very much for paying a visit. See you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ